Welcome back to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. Got a great video for you today. I'm gonna do a little bit of barricade flare on highway pegs. So let's roll the intro and get right to it. Alright, so I got three things that I'm using. Got an inner tube that I had laying around, so I'm gonna chop it up and I'm gonna use it as just a protective barrier for my crash bar, because I spent a lot of money on it, so I don't want anything to happen to it. Then I ordered these on eBay. So these are going to connect to my Arlen Ness pegs. So my plan is to just install them on here. So that way I got some nice room to stretch out on my bike. And I really put a lot of thought into these on how I wanted to do it, and I couldn't find any that were already assembled or a kit that really spoke to me. So I ended up doing a little bit more research, and this is the setup I'm going to try. So I'm going to put it together and then I'm going to install it on the bike. Alright, I'm going to show you by doing one of them myself. So I want to put these together with the spacer. Get that in there. So it's going to go like this on my bike. Install the washer, and nut. And I'm just going to use my socket. Get nice and tight on there. So it's going to store it in the up position like this. And then when I'm riding like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other, and then we'll install them on the bike. Alright, we're going to go ahead and install it on the right side. I already did the left. So I'm going to wrap this around. So I measured on the other side on where I want it. So I got the rubber inner tube on there to protect the paint. I'm going to measure again. A little too high. in a little bit. Just tighten them down. Alright, they're not all the way tightened yet, so I'm gonna just hop on my bike and see if that's at a good spot. Alright, that's good for me. That a little bit. There you go. Highway pegs installed on the Road King. There you have it, Arlen Ness Highway pegs for the Road King. So I've been riding with them for about 2 weeks now, and now I'm like thinking, how have I ever been without them? So I absolutely love them. I highly recommend them. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.